Today we got a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is Shoplifting Suspect Panics and Makes Everything Worse.
February 25th, 2023, during the afternoon hours, officers in Grand Chute, Wisconsin, responded to a reported retail theft at a local grocery store. What initially appeared to be a routine shoplifting investigation quickly escalated when the suspect, Miete, attempted to flee the scene and resist detention, pulling officers into a rapidly unfolding confrontation inside the store.
Well, at least it ain't Walmart. You're switching it up. Okay.
Police department.
Yeah, let's slow it. Oh, she out. She out. Okay, giving the cop a run for her money. Woo-wee. I thought the cop would have caught her.
Stop, police!
She probably gonna slip in the snow or something. Officer in shape. She keeping up though. I ain't gonna lie.
You're making it worse for yourself. Stop, police! Put your hands on your back.
She just gave up. She couldn't run no more. Probably a smoker or something. Them lungs, you gotta open up them lungs. Look, she wheezing and everything.
7722, one in custody. Okay.
Copy, one in custody. Thank you, copy.
Make sure they're not too tight on you.
Denver. 7722, do you still want the restriction?
You can lift it.
Denver, attention listening, she no longer restricted.
Yep.
Where can I get a water at some point?
You already stole one.
Oh, she dying.
Alright, so you are in custody for retail theft and for resisting. I'm gonna search you. Do you have anything on you that's gonna hurt me, like needles or knives? Nope. Okay, so if you step up against the vehicle.
That female cop, she not fat. I can tell she in good shape. We ain't even see her yet. She in decent shape. Cause even when she running, yeah, she was breathing a little heavy, but not.
Pocket that I need to be worried about? Okay. No.
Not like she was dying.
I just don't want to get stuck, so if you have one, it's not the biggest deal if you tell me.
But this chick's still breathing like.
I'll search that all inside.
Something spray on there just so you're aware.
Perfect. Okay, your chest here, okay? Is there anything tucked in your bra? Thought they were gonna find. What was it? No, okay.
Yo, she's breathing like she ran a marathon.
All right, anything else on you that we missed? Nope, okay, so we're gonna put you in the back of the squad for now, okay? Favorite side? Side. She was dropping a bunch of stuff as we were running, so I'll walk back and pick it up.
I'm assuming that's stolen.
There's some paraphernalia and stuff. There's some straws in her pocket. I guess you could probably stay in your squad for now while we sort it outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I was coming right to Miranda, so she won't stuck then. But
Alright.
You got a question for me?
Anybody else that we talked about here?
Not that I'm aware of. So I'll be back to talk to you in a little bit. I just gotta bring all that stuff back to Woodman's and then we'll kind of go from there, okay?
Thanks.
Can you just text her information? That way I can get to Woodman's. I'll be back.
After running from the officers, Miete was taken into custody, and the officers recovered the stolen merchandise as part of the investigation.
So she.
Woodman.
Some of us we weren't sure if it was yours or not, but I figured you'd be able to tell me. Some was obviously yours, but.
Yeah,
Some
it's
stuff I
hard
wasn't
because
sure.
like this stuff is from Big Lots,
Oh, okay.
and she came in with this,
Okay.
but she didn't come in with that. Was that on her body?
On her or in her
This
purse?
is Big Lots too,
Oh, okay.
and there's no receipt, so I'm sure she stole it from them. I did see her conceal some of our nail polish into her purse. I see it. These I know are ours. So the register will tell us.
Oh, okay,
when I just
perfect.
go through it. You have her in custody at least.
Yeah, she's a fine partner. I'm assuming he stole because one thing she asked me is if anyone else picked up here tonight. So I said,
I might have to check.
yeah. I'm assuming that's what she was
It's going to be a
curious
felony
about.
because right now I'm at 212 and I'm not even have them.
Perfect. Which she'll go to jail anyways for running me, so.
You have to stay. Stay if I can't believe it.
Right.
You had a feeling. I'm sorry. It's my fault. I should
Oh,
have
okay.
said excuse me. I should have just let you grab her first. But I didn't expect her
Because when she heard me, that's when she ran.
was eating. I know.
I think she was probably like scared or like just, sometimes I think their immediate thing was to run.
There's no. So yeah, Big Lots will probably want their stuff back.
Yeah.
This is Big Lots. This is ours. This is Big Lots.
See, but Big Lots, they slipping. They didn't even catch it.
Down on College Ave further, right?
Yeah.
So that's gonna be Appleton's.
And then if you do need a little bit, I can give you one.
Oh, I got it.
Is this all Big Lots, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, she mentioned that there first.
Their money back on these two items, so that'll be separate. Just say that one, thank you. And then I'll give you this for
You're definitely a drug user though. Like there was a gem baggie with residue and syringes and stuff. So not really anything to like test and charge her with, but you can tell she's definitely, and like you said, her face definitely a meth user.
Instincts are right usually.
A lot of them fight or run or yeah. Well, she kept running. I'm like, you're making it worse for yourself, and then she gave up.
I was worried she's gonna cross 41 and then make it a dangerous thing for you.
Yeah, I probably would have stopped. Well, I know Logan was almost here, so he probably would have cut her off. You could tell she was getting tired by the end of your lot.
Good. Yeah, she had a heavy bag on her.
Yeah. And her legs are shorter than mine, so.
You were a big one.
I don't remember the last time someone ran. Like, that usually doesn't happen with me.
Did you have to wrestle her to the ground or no?
She pretty much just stopped when she got tired and then I handcuffed her, so. I was gaining ground, so there was really nowhere for her to run.
Yeah, she did a good job. That lady officer did a great job.
This is a lot of
Yeah. Maybe I'll go talk to her right away and then he can bring her to jail while we sort this out because we know it's going to be felony level, we think. Otherwise, I can wait till we know.
Can you see the total so far? 381.
We'll hit there, I'm sure.
It's felony because I didn't even get to the high-end hair
Okay,
products.
perfect.
that
Yeah, I'll
she
just,
got.
maybe we can get her to jail anyway, so I'll go ask her about this. Okay, I'll come back in a few minutes.
I do have one question. When will I be able to get my phone call?
At jail. So you're going to be booked in on felony retail theft.
So right away?
Yeah, once they get you booked in. And then for resisting for running from me. So.
Okay.
Oh, yep. So, bunch of the stuff is from Big Lots. I'm assuming she stole it. Are you okay with taking her to jail? They're still ringing up her stuff, and then I will work with Appleton to see, well, this, and then I will take those knives and then, unless you want to switch places, but,
Nope.
Okay. It was just the one knife in her bag, right? Okay. Separate from the one I found on my way back.
Separate. Yep, there should be a green one, and then a black one, and then I'm assuming that. Yep.
What would she say?
There's a rainbow one, like a multicolored like metal
One
one.
she dropped. Okay. So basically the knives, they just can't go to jail. So I'm gonna
Or
put
the
them in,
pepper spray.
or the pepper spray. So I'm gonna put them in safekeeping at our PD, and then you can get them when you get out. Okay?
Question, Jim.
Yep.
Is everything else other than that in my
In your property?
So some stuff I'm still looking into to make sure it wasn't stolen from a different store. If I find out it's not stolen, I'll put it with your property. If it is stolen, then you're not gonna get that back.
Store employees determined that Mieta had taken merchandise valued at approximately $806.18, prompting management to pursue charges. Julie, acting on behalf of Woodman's, requested that Mieta be trespassed from the store for life. Woodman's also requested $28.57 in restitution to cover damaged and consumed merchandise.
10 to 12.
That's probably from the food products. Like, cause what she had, like baked cookies and stuff like that. Those types of things, once someone kind of steals them and takes them out the store, even if they get it back, they can't put that back on the shelves. So it's, yeah, that's a loss. Ah, good old county jail.
Yeah, it goes in my eyes. I think so.
I think it suits.
Something like that. It goes with my complexion.
Matches my outfit more, I think.
True. Brown and blue kind of clash. Brown and blue.
Bombs or anything that's...
Man, she on heavy drugs, boy. See her face?
I'll take your coat right away.
It's a full service jail.
Miette was convicted of 2 Class A misdemeanors, theft of movable property and resisting or obstructing an officer. She received 18 months of probation, was ordered to pay $924.34 in court costs and $28.57 in restitution, with expungement possible upon successful completion of probation and treatment. Please show your support by liking this video.
Golly. Okay, so whatever. So pretty much probation. She'll be back. We'll probably see her again at some point. You know, no big deal. Unbelievable. But at least it wasn't Walmart, though. I must say, at least they switching it up, because typically you just see Walmart, Best Buy, Target. That's the main 3. Woodman's? I ain't never heard of that store, so that must be a local spot. So, you know, at least they switching it up, but they loss prevention is on point too. So, yeah, you're done. You're cooked. But yeah, good job by that officer, man. 5 out of 5. She did a great job. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.